were called bad luck, and that was in hopes of you leaving your bad luck at the door. And as you cross over that evil eye, that eye of protection, it sheds you of that bad luck to enjoy your time here before you get back out there in the real world. For you, we're making the hammer. We had an idea to create something that was a little bit more intimate. We're a very small bar, and that allows us bartenders to be a little bit more intricate with our execution of serve. Being back here, we see everything, but then we also see nothing at the same time. We love to play with the idea of mythology, astrology, tarot cards. All of our cocktails on our menu are all based on astrology or tarot directly or inspired by. Of course, we only have 13 drinks on our menu that we change once a year, but we'd love to make anything else in addition to that as well.